Check engine light on. That little orange icon can send shivers down your spine. Because we all know it usually means money. But what if I told you there's a tool that puts the power back in your hands, even if you've never turned a wrench before? Today we're reviewing the VDIAGTOOL VD10 OBD2 Scanner, a budget-friendly, plug-and-play device that every car owner should have in their glove box. Welcome back to Auto Repair, your one-stop shop for everything automotive. Don't forget to hit subscribe so you never get ripped off at the mechanic again. Let's be honest, mechanic visits can be intimidating. You're left in the dark, crossing your fingers. It's not something expensive. That's why a code reader like the VD10 is a must-have tool for dyers and everyday drivers alike. With it, you can read codes, clear them, check live data, view freeze frames, and even pull your vehicle's VIN all in seconds. Here's what makes the VD10 stand out. Instant problem detection. Plug it into your OBD2 port, and it'll immediately tell you what's wrong with your car. No Googling codes for hours. The VD10 has over 3,000 definitions built right in. Clear the check engine light once you've fixed the issue. Clear that annoying light and keep your engine running at its best. Live data and freeze frame. Want to dig deeper? You can monitor things like engine RPM, air intake temp, fuel trim, and even misfire data in real time. Plus, freeze frame captures the moment the fault happens, super helpful for tracking down intermittent problems. Emissions readiness test. Planning for a smog check. The INM readiness feature makes sure your car is inspection ready before you even leave the driveway. Universal compatibility works with 99% of cars built after 1996 in the US, 2006 in Europe, and 2009 in Asia. Cars, SUVs, light trucks, you're covered. The VD10 is truly plug and play. It doesn't need batteries, doesn't need a charger. It pulls power straight from your car. The display is clear, backlit, and easy to read even in sunlight. And for peace of mind, it comes with a 3-year warranty and lifetime free updates, supporting 6 different languages. Bottom line, whether you're diagnosing your own car or checking the ECU before buying a used one, this little tool can save you hundreds, sometimes even thousands of dollars over the years. So, if you're tired of being at the mercy of the mechanic, the VDIAGTOOL VD10 OBD2 Scanner is your ticket to taking back control. Affordable, powerful, and easy enough for complete beginners, this tool deserves a permanent spot in your glove box. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more car-saving tips, and drop a comment below. What's the strangest check engine code you've ever seen?